All right, guys, we got a 1993 K2500 Sierra. True dual, straight pipe. Oh, not straight pipe. True dual with MAGNAFLOW 11378. That's the part number. And then we ran two tailpipes, two 4-inch tips out the back. Let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. There it is. Got high flow cats on it. Couldn't really record the. We're too busy to get record the bottom, but it's okay. We'll get you guys on the next one. And it looks really good though. I said you guys need to see this. It's got a nice lift kit on it. Got big swampers. Light bar. You guys gotta see the front bumper. Back it up a little bit more. Look at that front bumper. Custom to the max. It's a bumper, a winch, a stepping pad, whatever you want to think. It's got a beast look to it. Look at that. I like it. It's completely different. Look how much it sticks out to the back, to the front, I mean. All right. Let you guys hear it. Go ahead. Again. Got a nice idle to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside.